Good morning, everyone. Hi, my name is Romany and welcome to my channel. Jeez. Right, so today we are removing this. So last night, as you can see above me here, I will insert a video. And so last night I washed my hair and I decided to do the robe tie hack thing that I keep seeing. Yes, so I basically, you'll see, I popped the hair tie, made sure it was level, and split my hair in half. I used a bobby pin just to secure it. I've still got the bobby pin here actually, just to secure it in. And I took section by section, wrapping around the hair thing. It's come out because it was wrapped around and here. Oh my god. Yeah, so it didn't stay up like that. It was the most uncomfortable thing to sleep in the world. I could not sleep. I was too hot. It was uncomfortable. It was pulling. I didn't do it, but like I should have angled it behind my ears a bit better. But then, yeah, it was not comfortable to sleep in at all. So as you can see here in my little clip that I'm playing, I got the hair and the front strands I wrapped around that way and the back strands I wrapped around that way. So hopefully they'll come in different directions. Hopefully. I'm not 100% sure if they will come out very good at all. But I thought I would give it a go anyway. So I did sleep with my hair wet. All the other hacks that I've seen, they've done it on dry hair. So yay. Obviously, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and come follow me on Instagram as well. And let's see if this little hack works. Drum roll. Do you think it's gonna work? Do you think... Let me undo this. Oh, and I used little plastic ties just to secure my hair. Right, so that's why I've got... Oh, it's very... That's a look and a half, isn't it? It's quite cool. This side I did better than this side. This side, yeah, I think I've done better this side, didn't I? I don't know. Okay, so let's see if this has actually worked. It feels like my hair's still slightly damp. But oh god, yeah, it was so uncomfortable to sleep in. I had one of the worst night's sleep ever. Right, let's break those bands. I was just so hot, whether it was just a hot stuffy night, but it was so hot, so stuffy, I could not sleep. I kept waking up and then I kept on, I was just overheating. Right, so let's unwrap these very gently. Okay. So we've definitely got some curls. Wow. Even though I thought I'd messed it up, kind of looks like it might have worked. I've just got my mirror over here so you can see what I'm doing. And it didn't actually take that long to wrap up either. Oh, come on. So that's the first side. Pretty good. I would say that has curled. Oh my gosh. I've actually managed to do something right. Right, let's get this undone. So I'm just unwinding it back off of the robe tie. This side got a little bit tangled. It's a little bit... Get off me! Okay. So that's what we have got. Can you see? Oh my god, I love them. I feel a little bit like Charles II at the moment. So I'm just going to go through and finger separate and just hoof it around a little bit, jazz it up a little bit. I don't know what I'm supposed to do now because I didn't actually, I just watched everyone doing that. Oh my god, I definitely look like Charles II. Whew. Right. Oh my god, look. And I was worried that my fringe hair, because it was shorter, would come out rubbish. But, oh my god. So completely heatless, although I did sweat like an absolute pig last night, so heat from my body probably helped. But completely heatless curls, and that is what we get. And they all are in different directions. I love them. Yes! It worked! Oh my god. Right, I'm gonna go and try and style this beast and take some photos. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, heatless curls. I could do this a couple of times a week. Sleep in it and we're done. I'll see you later. Bye.